Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Today we're checking out the ASUS Dual NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068GB GDDR7 OC Edition, a graphics card designed for gamers, creators, and PC enthusiasts who want next-generation performance packed into a compact design. So, is this graphics card really worth buying? What do all these impressive specifications actually mean in everyday gaming and content creation? And why has the RTX 5060 become such a popular choice for modern PC builds? Let's find out. At the heart of this graphics card is NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5060 GPU featuring 3,840 CUDA cores and up to 614 AI TOPS of AI performance. That means it's built not only for traditional gaming, but also for AI-enhanced applications, image generation, video editing, and the latest AI-powered game features. ASUS ships this OC Edition with a factory overclock reaching up to 2,565 MHz in OC mode, while the standard boost clock runs at 2,535 MHz, giving you extra performance right out of the box. Memory is another major upgrade. The card comes equipped with 8GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 VRAM running at an impressive 28 gigabits per second over a 128-bit memory interface. Compared to previous generations, GDDR7 delivers significantly higher bandwidth, allowing games and creative applications to load textures faster and process large workloads more efficiently. Whether you're playing competitive esports titles or exploring visually rich AAA games, the faster memory helps keep gameplay smooth and responsive. One of the biggest highlights is support for NVIDIA DLSS 4 technology. Using advanced AI frame generation and upscaling, DLSS 4 can dramatically improve frame rates while maintaining impressive image quality. In real-world gaming, this means smoother gameplay at higher graphics settings and improved performance in supported titles, making demanding games feel much more fluid. Cooling is another area where ASUS has put serious attention. The Dual RTX 5060 uses a 2.5-slot design with two axial tech fans engineered to move more air while reducing turbulence and noise. During lighter workloads, ASUS's 0dB technology completely stops the fans, allowing the graphics card to operate silently while browsing, streaming videos, or working on everyday tasks. Once temperatures rise during gaming, the fans automatically restart to maintain optimal cooling performance. It's a thoughtful feature that many users appreciate during daily use. Despite its powerful hardware, the card remains surprisingly compact. Measuring just 228 by 123 by 50 millimeters, it fits comfortably into many mid-tower and compact PC cases where larger triple-fan graphics cards might struggle. ASUS also recommends a 550-watt power supply, and the card requires only a single 8-pin PCIe power connector, making installation straightforward for many existing systems. Connectivity is fully prepared for today's displays and tomorrow's upgrades. You get one HDMI 2.1b port and three DisplayPort 2.1b outputs, supporting resolutions up to an incredible 7680 by 4320 or 8K. With support for up to 4 displays simultaneously, it's an excellent option whether you're building a gaming setup, a streaming workstation, or a productivity-focused multi-monitor configuration. The graphics card also supports PCI Express 5.0, providing maximum bandwidth for modern motherboards and ensuring compatibility with the latest desktop platforms. Combined with ASUS GPU Tweak 3 software, users can monitor temperatures, customize fan profiles, tweak performance settings, and optimize the card with just a few clicks. When you combine the factory overclock, fast GDDR7 memory, DLSS 4 AI technology, efficient dual-fan cooling, silent 0dB operation, compact dimensions, PCIe 5.0 support, and premium ASUS build quality backed by a 3-year warranty, it's easy to see why this graphics card has become an attractive choice for gamers looking to build or upgrade a modern PC. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.